Let's meet Caitlin, a senior in the ecology program. She's currently an intern at the Buffalo Center, ANC's research facility that collaborates with renowned organizations like the World Wildlife Fund and the Smithsonian Research Institute. The Buffalo Center provides students like Caitlin the opportunity to work and learn alongside professional biologists, enhancing her educational experience and preparing her for a successful career in the field. Take it away, Caitlin.
Thank you, Alex. When I initially enrolled at Aaniiih Nakoda College, I enrolled in the liberal arts program. But a friend of mine suggested to enroll in environmental science. So that same day, I switched my major. It changed my life forever, and it was the best decision that I've ever made. I'm currently interning with the Buffalo Center, where I work with bison and other amazing species. On our reservation, we have two separate herds, one at Snake Butte and one at Peoples Creek. Both bring lots of research opportunities and partnerships with organizations like the Smithsonian and the World Wildlife Fund. I've learned so much from being mentored by established, experienced researchers who share their techniques with us. Many people come here to work with our incredible ecosystem, so I collaborate and make friends with people from all over the world. My research has taken me to Africa, where we studied cattle grazing conditions, and to Costa Rica, where we determined their water quality through macroinvertebrates. I even had the opportunity to share my research at the American Indian Higher Education Consortium. Being there representing ANC and showing that tribal colleges are important too made me feel proud. I'm currently working on my senior research project researching bison diets. By looking at their diets, I can see if the land they're grazing from is healthy and find out how they're eating during drought. The buffalo are very important to our culture. They've always been there for us. I love Aaniiih Nakoda College because the research I do on my home is for my home. The things that I get to do, my ancestors were already doing years ago. They just didn't call it environmental science. When I'm out here on the prairie or in the mountains, I can't help but feel close to them. Education will pave the way, just as the buffalo did for us many years ago. Back to you, Alex.
Incredible, Caitlin. The opportunities you have through ANC and the Buffalo Center are truly one of a kind, allowing you to gain practical experience alongside professionals in the field. We are so excited to see the positive impact you will continue to make in your community and beyond. Thanks again.